Bowstring arrow nocks. Using a square to find out the low point of the arrow, and that's going to be right down there. So I'm going to take some B50 bowstring material and cut off a piece. Cut that piece in half. I got about 8-10 inches each. And what I'm going to do is create the lower knock point of 2 knock points. So I'm just going to overhand knot it. This is going to be the bottom knock point, so it's going to start off at about 3/16 above square. So I can take this off now, and I can get this down a bit lower. And we'll tie a series of overhand knots going down in this direction. Pull them tight. Oops. Come over here, you. Hold it tight. And finish it off with a double knot, double overhand. 1 and 2. Oopsie daisy. There we go, nice and tight. And one more for good measure up here. Trim them off. Leave some excess because they're going to burn them in to seal. We'll put the arrow back in. Snug up. Got a clicker in here that I can hold this in place with, I think. There we go. Okay, so got our other piece of B50 bowstring material, another overhand knot, and I like to pull it snug up tight. Can remove this. And now the knots go above in this direction. Instead of bowstring material, dental floss works good because it's waxed. We'll do a double overhand to finish. Pull it tight. Trim, tag ends. Burn them in. And there's our knock points. Now these knock points can move. You can actually twist them up and down to set their length. When their correct height is set for the arrow in question, I like to set them in by coating them with super glue. Any water-thin super glue, just put it on, of course with no arrow in place, and just let it harden. That way it's not going to come apart. It's going to have some good longevity to it. And that's pretty much it. Bowstring arrow Nock points.